Hello, YouTube. Welcome to HTS, and some of you out there on social media, Facebook, any other platform out there might be running into this video. My name is Leo Sotelo, and in this video right here, I want to show you a review of a content creation tool. So if you're into internet marketing, content creation, this tool is perfect for you. And in case you're wondering who I am, I teach a lot of methods on how to get traffic to your businesses, and I do reviews on a bunch of softwares, etc. At the end of this video, I will have a couple of videos pop up on the sides here, and you can get access to those easy. And if you do like what you see here, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to get further videos. Read books again and again, and I hope you all are doing that. So let me get to the video right here. And leave comments as well. Leave comments, thumbs up, thumbs down, whether you like the video or not. I appreciate I appreciate your opinion, and I also respect it. So in this traffic secrets, if any of you have gotten this, it's really cool. I will leave a link in the description below if you want to check it out. But I just want to kind of just show you why I'm making this video. And he talks about content. You kind of need like a content folder here, and I'm going to open this up for you to get a full view. And it's important to have a content folder full of just content. And I started creating one right over here. I have a content folder that I'm filling up, and it's my own personal content. And here I'm going to show you right now how you could create your own content. No plagiarism, and it's pretty cool. So stay till the end of this video. Here we go. So anyword. Some of you have heard about this. Now you can make blog posts here, basic copy, and you can do it for your ads, your Twitter ads, LinkedIn, as you can see on the screen here, and Pinterest pins, Facebook posts, subject lines for your email, cold email. And for this example here, I'm going to, because I want to start with a blog post. We're going to do a new blog, and we're going to do a new project here. And I'm going to show you how cool this is, because you know how writing content could take a long time and get really frustrating. So I'm going to put right here, I'm going to start with, let's say I want to promote education out there. So let's say the best wealth school in the country. Okay. Now I'm going to put right here, I'm going to put education, education industry, adult education. No, we're going to go through, it's going to be online education, because it's education now. And then keywords, we're going to go wealth, right? I'm just using this for an example here. So then you're going to hit that. And there's a lot of cool things this thing does here, actually. It's pretty amazing. So it's going to give you the because these could get picked up as you put them out there, your blog post. They could get picked up by Google, and it's going to show you right here the stat score in business. So 85 top wealth schools in the USA, the US, and it goes there. So I'm just going to, for this video, I want to pick that one, and then we're going to hit next. And I actually learned some of this stuff from some other guy who was teaching, and I just wanted to share it with everybody out there. So these are the sections it's going to have. Best wealth schools in there. Okay, Stanford University. Okay, we're not talking about Stanford or Columbia University. We're not talking about Harvard or Yale, Princeton, MIT. So we're going to come up with our own. So we're going to go to start right here. Business school. Then we're going to add another section. And the cool thing is, when this Google is, it's just going to pick it all up. It's going to pick it all up, and um, the watch. I'll show you here in a minute. Sorry, I didn't mean for all. I thought I was going to bring up some. I did this prior, and I should have made the video back then, but I'm making for you now, and it's still pretty cool. So, real estate investing school, and then we're going to talk about just for this example, I'm just going to use these four. So it's going to pick up a first paragraph, and the best thing is to do is just read it. You could also go through there and edit it. It will give you the option, and it's going to let you know the scores here on the side. 56. Now I want to pick that one, and then let's move forward. Continue to editor. It's going to come up with this project brief, let you know what you can do to your post, and then best schools in America. So I'm going to pick this right here. I'm going to go along, and we're going to generate. It's going to do the work for you, so you don't have to sit there and think of everything. What do you think about that? That's why I love the internet. Okay, so the cool thing is, let's see if there's any plagiarism check. 100% unique. What do you think about that? That's 100% unique. So we're going to go down here. We're going to do another one. Now you could make it a short paragraph or long. I just want to show long here, and let's see what it's going to pick up right here. Okay, now we're going to do plagiarism. Now, as I'm editing this is 100% unique. That's cool. So let's say I'm editing this, and I'm not talking about any of these schools right here. I could just regenerate, and it's going to regenerate the words, and you're going to see just like magic pop up here in a second. You think about that? That's cool, right? That's really cool. And you could do this for let's go back to project shot. You kind of catch what I mean here. Then after that, you just hit this over here. It copies it, and then you go to and you put it on your clipboard. And it's this free trial. Actually, I'm on a free trial. They give you 5,000 words, so that's like enough for 5 really brilliant article blog posts. So you could also do the same down here. Let's say you're doing Outbrain headlines. If you don't know what that is, these are like native ads right here. Facebook ads, Twitter, Pinterest. So it's going to make your copy more for, you could put it for selling, for persuasion. The perfect headlines are down here. And content improver, topic ideas, blog post ideas. So it has so much in this. So the thing's called AdWord or AnyWords. Sorry, AnyWords. Sorry about that. I'm kind of getting ahead of myself here. I'm going to be playing with this for a while. So